Right, carton B has a square base of length 5 centimeters. What is the height of carton B? Now, hint: both containers. This is about a different question as well. I think both containers have the same volume, right? 300 cubic centimeters. So V for volume equals 300 cubic centimeters. That's the amount of space or the amount of liquid that would fit into this container. Has a square base of length 5 centimeters. So if we're looking down on it from space, if you like, or and you were looking down on the base, it would be 5 centimeters this way and 5 centimeters that way. So the area of the base would be 5 times 5, and that would be 25 squared centimeters. Now we want to get the height, H. What's the height going to be? Well, the volume of a carton like this, you see the formula for the volume would be equal to the length times the base times the height. And, well, the length times the base is actually the area. Well, we can do it whichever one. No, the length is going to be, the length and the base are the same because it's a square base. So with 5 times 5 times h, and that all comes to 300. So now we have 300 equals 25h. So what do we do now? Well, we can divide both sides there by 25. And you see they'll cancel from the right hand side. We're left with h equals 300. H equals 300 divided by 25. And if we're not sure how to do that, we'll just go calculator. 300 divided by 25 gives us 12. So the height h is 12 centimeters.